In the realm of technological evolution, a momentous chapter unfolds as Raspberry Pi 5 steps into the limelight. The world was first introduced to the Raspberry Pi 4 in June of 2019, a moment that marked the inception of a remarkable journey. Since then, the landscape of innovation has been reshaped, with each stride more audacious than the last. The journey saw the emergence of Raspberry Pi 400, a fusion of computer and keyboard, bringing unparalleled convenience to the masses. In the world of embedded computing, the Compute Module 4 was unveiled, designed to conquer the most demanding challenges. And lest we forget, the unassuming Raspberry Pi Zero 2 emerged, a low-cost addition to the product line, ensuring affordability remained a cornerstone. Yet as the river of time flowed, it has been a considerable while since a flagship product graced the stage. Today, Raspberry Pi 5 takes its place in the annals of innovation. What sets Raspberry Pi 5 apart, one may inquire? Primarily, it is swifter, more potent, and more versatile than its predecessor, Raspberry Pi 4. CPU performance has surged, offering 2 to 3 times the computational power, while GPU performance has doubled, opening the doors to remarkable possibilities. The I/O bandwidth has expanded significantly, allowing the simultaneous operation of 2 4K P60 HDMI displays. USB 3 bandwidth has also doubled, and for the first time, a single-layer PCI Express is unveiled, allowing high-bandwidth peripherals to be effortlessly connected. The engine behind these marvels is the presence of new, cutting-edge silicon at the heart of Raspberry Pi 5. The sole piece of retained silicon from Raspberry Pi 4 is the Cypress 434555 dual-band wireless chip. All other components are new and revolutionary. The application processor, the BCM2712, originates from Broadcom, featuring 4 ARM Cortex-A76 processors, each running at a staggering 2.4 GHz. In a rare revelation, a new power supply chip from Renesas has emerged, delivering up to 20 amps of core power to energize the mighty ARM cores within the Broadcom chip. But the pièce de résistance, from the perspective of a silicon designer, is the introduction of RP1, an in-house marvel. RP1 orchestrates all the I/O within the system, governing USB 3, Ethernet, GPIO, MIPI displays, and camera interfaces. This 40-nanometer gem, much like the cherished RP2040, is the product of TSMC, marking a significant milestone in Raspberry Pi's history. It is only the second instance since the introduction of Raspberry Pi 1 in 2011 that a flagship product has been unveiled before it's available for purchase. But fear not, for in the interim, a multitude of blogs and videos will be unveiled, guiding enthusiasts through the intricate beauty of Raspberry Pi 5. The architecture's marvels will be explored, the silicon treasures demystified, and the inner workings of RP1, the virtuoso I/O controller, will be unveiled. This journey is one of shared discovery, of illuminating the uncharted territories of technology. 7 years of dedication have led to this culmination, and Raspberry Pi 5 promises to be a beacon of creativity and ingenuity, empowering a generation of dreamers and creators. The creators of this masterpiece have poured their hearts into its design, and they are confident that the world will love using it just as much. The adventure continues, and all are invited to join Raspberry Pi 5 on this extraordinary journey.